Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my June Ipsy Glam Plus unboxing. I am so thankful that I got this today. Had no idea that I was getting this today. Those DHL tracking links that they've been sending out lately are just not accurate. This morning I checked this because I like to plan when I'm going to film these for you guys. I checked it and it was just leaving Massachusetts. So usually I know I'm going to get it 2 days or like the 2 days from then because it needs to go to my post office and then it takes a day to get to me. It was in my mailbox today, so I don't know. It's been doing wacky things. Last month, I didn't get my box until around the 20th. The tracking link just kept saying en route, and I had to actually contact Ipsy, so earlier the better for me. I'm glad I got it, but have you guys been experiencing any issues with that DHL tracking link that they send? Let me know. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see what goodies I got for the month of June, then just keep watching. According to the little card that it comes with, the theme for this month is Block Party, which is very appropriate. Now, I'm wondering, based off the card, if everybody was getting different color Ipsy boxes, if they were getting purple, yellow, that turquoise blue, or just the pink. That would be awesome, and I wish I got like a purple box. So let me know in the comments down below because I'm not really sure. I probably should have looked to see. But let me know if you guys are getting different color boxes other than the pink. So the first product that I got is this Tetris and Ipsy eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to try to take the sleeve off. Hopefully it wants to come off. So that's what it looks like right there. So let me just read a little bit about it first before I show you the colors. It says, we partnered with iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to recreate a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, color, and unique beauty. So I'm not going to read the rest. It does retail for $24, and I actually did take a sneak peek at this earlier, so I do know what the shades are going to look like. It is nice that this does come with a mirror and it says Block Party, so that's super cute. Now let me just kind of flip this little plastic film that it comes with and show you guys exactly what these shades look like. Now if you guys know me, you know what I'm going to say, that this is not a palette that I would typically gravitate toward, but I am thankful there are two shades in here that I definitely would use as like a transition and lid color. It's these two shades right here. These are the only matte shades. Now I kind of wish that these four shades were actually not shimmers and they were like one or two of them were matte. These are all shimmer shades. So, I mean, it's just, again, like I don't typically on an everyday basis or not even really gravitate toward these other colors. I'm a neutral person, so these colors I would gravitate toward. I'm not sure if there were any other eyeshadow palettes that, actually I will be sharing what other products that you could get, so we'll see if there's any other eyeshadow palettes. But for me, I don't know, you guys. Again, I don't do the bold colors, but nonetheless, it is a very beautiful palette. I know they're kind of trying to stick to the theme of Tetris. Okay, so next it looks like I got some skincare. It looks like these are the Tula Skincare Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Sheet Masks. Now, this value is $26 for the three of them. So I'm just gonna open these up. And honestly, you guys, I love getting sheet masks. I don't do them a lot, but I love getting them because then I never have to buy them, and a lot of them come in my monthly beauty subscription, so that's what's great. I'm not sure if I've heard of this brand before, but it just says clean and effective probiotics and superfoods. Let me actually read what the card says because that's probably a little bit more informative. So it says, all of Tula's Skincare's superfood probiotic packed formulas are developed to bring out your best, most radiant skin. This mask has a healthy dose of vitamin C to help brighten, papaya to exfoliate and nix dullness, and the probiotic strain Lactococcus, I hope I'm saying that correctly, guys, ferment lysate to hydrate. So that's basically what it says. You leave it on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes. So I definitely will be using these. That was a whole mouthful, and if I butchered some of that, those words, I do apologize. So again, these are the Tula Major Glow and Cooling and Brightening Hydro Gel Masks. This next product I'm the most excited about, and I've actually used up a full one before. I think when Ipsy originally was going to launch their Glam Plus, they sent out a whole bunch of boxes, I believe last August, to YouTubers and Instagrammers and other influencers, and I was fortunate enough to get a box or a sneak peek box. So they included this Sunday Riley CEO cream, and I absolutely loved it. So I'm super excited that I did receive it again. It's just a really nice moisturizer. So anyways, this retails, you guys, for $65. And the brand Sunday Riley is actually a pretty good and well-received brand when it comes to their skincare. So the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream, with a commitment to clean formulas and pure, effective ingredients, Sunday Riley makes products you can feel good about using. This moisturizer is infused with ultra-potent vitamin C to help fight skin damage and visibly brighten your skin while adding a dewy, luminous glow. So when I use this, I actually would use this in the morning and at night. Now this time of year, I usually... Well, it depends. If I'm going to go outside, then I'll put a moisturizer on that's got an SPF in it, but if I'm not, then I would use this. But in the wintertime, I was using this in the morning and at night. It's a really nice cream. It's really hydrating. It's not sticky or anything. And the great thing about this, you guys, is that you can put it on under makeup and you're not going to have any issues. It's not going to feel weird. And if I remember correctly, because it's been a little while since I have used this, I can smell it even with the lid on. It smells like oranges. It smells really nice. And I either like products that don't smell or smell like something that I like. Some skincare sometimes can smell a little weird, and I don't know, I'm weird about smells, you guys. A little TMI there. But anyways, nonetheless, this is an excellent moisturizer. So if you guys get this, this is great. You're gonna love it. So the next product that I got is this Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in Grease and 620 brush set. So this is the 620 brush set right there. It's an eyeliner, very precise eyeliner brush to dip in the gel eyeliner. Now, Ipsy, you got the color right, excuse me, because in other subscriptions, I'm getting like weird colors, and even like with Ipsy in the past, not Glam Plus, but I've gotten like weird colors I would never wear. So you definitely got the color right. Years ago, I bought, I think it was like the Inglot one in it, because it was really known to be a great one. And then honestly, you guys, I looked the other day and it was dried up because I don't use gel eyeliners. If I do use an eyeliner, which I don't do every day, it's gonna be a felt tip. So like I said, I haven't dabbled in with this, but I will, I do want to play around with it again. You can get really precise with it, but the thing is, it can be just a little bit more time consuming than if you were to, use just like a regular liner, like a felt tip liner or whatever. So let me just open this up and see kind of what it looks like. I've never heard of this brand either, which, that's what's great about this subscription. You get to, learn about brands that you would never even learn about. So let's just see. I don't know, the texture of it. I don't know, you guys. Honestly, like I was saying, I did have the Inglot one, and that one seemed way more creamier than this, so we shall see. But the color is dead on. I only do black, especially because, I want to conceal my lash band. Black is the color to use, so I will definitely have to dabble with this and try it out. But anyways, this does retail for $26 for the set. So that's actually a pretty good value, because I think, honestly, you guys, like years ago, I bought one of these brushes from either like Sigma or MAC, and it was probably like $26. So you're getting the liner and the brush, and it retails for $26. So that's a pretty good value. Okay, so last but not least is a lip product, and usually I'm excited about lip products, but I don't know about this, you guys, because the color, it's just, it's a little bit too dark for me. But anyways, I actually have gotten this brand before in a regular Ipsy. I kind of really love their packaging. So it's by Trusty. This is their matte color and shiny balm lip crayon in Belize Bordeaux and Grenache Balm. So that Bordeaux word right there, you're going to know it's going to be a deep, almost like plum wine color, or blood color, if you will. So what's great about this brand with their products is that, like, I remember when I first got, I think it was either, it might have been even a lipstick or it was a concealer, and I'm like, oh crap, I lost the cap. Where's the cap? And I kept thinking I lost the cap, and I felt like an idiot. But I think a lot of people, when I made that video, were like, oh my god, I thought the same thing too. I never lost the cap, because the cap, that's the cap. So I think that that is brilliant packaging. I love it. So I will swatch this out for you guys so you can see. I don't know if people were getting different colors. This would be a beautiful color maybe like for around the holidays, the fall in particular. Again, it's just more of like that deep, almost like burgundy red color. But honestly, you guys, I'm a neutral person if I haven't said it 50 million times in all my videos. So, you know, I don't typically like to gravitate toward colors like that, if you guys can see, but it is a very pretty color. Just for me, it's a little out of my comfort zone, but it is beautiful. But what's cool too, it says that it does come with a balm. So there is a little lip balm on the bottom. So it's like a 2-in-1. So this definitely like saves space. So I do love that. I think it's super cute. This retails for $25. Again, this is the Trusty Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon in Belize Bordeaux and Grenache Balm. Next, you guys are going to have to let me know because it's almost like they threw in an add-on, but I didn't add any add-ons in my box this month. This is the Neogen Naturals Serum in Oil Drop White Truffle. So basically, it looks like this is just a nice oil for the face, like a nice travel size. But let me look and see, because I'm telling you, I definitely didn't add any add-ons. So let me know, did you guys get an extra product or like a sample size product? Did you get this product? Let me know in the comments, because again, I'm not sure. Okay, you guys, so I just added up the value of all these products and it came out to be $166. So for 25 bucks, I know I say this every month, it is a really good value. Just alone getting that Sunday Riley CEO cream, I'm like so excited. So now I just want to go through, let me pull up Ipsy's website. I just want to go through the other things that you can potentially get this month and see like maybe what I'm missing out on. So let me just scroll back up. So actually, this product I've gotten before. It's the 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and actually I am using that and I do like that. So if you get that, you're gonna love it. I'm using it currently. And then next is the Ciate London Liquid Velvet Matte Lipstick. That actually looks like a really pretty color. Then it's Jolie Cosmetics Luxe Cream Matte Trio, and it looks like it's a purple and then maybe like a red shade. Then there is the 5-piece Eye Perfection Set. Okay, so are some of these duplicates? Because that 5-piece Farrah brushes, I definitely got either last month or the month before. So it seems like some of these are repeats, so at least I didn't get that again, but even if I did, I wouldn't be mad because those Farrah brushes are great. So if you guys get those, they're really great brushes. And then next is the Mally Beauty Above and Beyond Mascara. And then there is a Pixi by Petra Lash Lift Mascara. Then there's like a lot of products this month, you guys. Then there is the Pure Big Look Mascara. So I'm actually happy I didn't get any mascaras this month. Then there is the Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying, it almost looks like it's a mask, if you will. And then there is another Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening mask. So there's two different masks. I kind of actually would have maybe preferred to try one of these masks over the sheet masks. Then there is the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Smooth Blowout. Is that like a hair product maybe? It's not like letting me click on it. Then there is the Girlactic 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm. I'm actually glad I didn't get that, and I feel like I did get it one month. If I'm not mistaken, a couple months ago, there was some kind of Girlactic. I think a lot of these are repeats, you guys. Then there's obviously the palette that I showed you. Then there is another palette, actually. There is another collab, Tetris, excuse me. Tetris by Ipsy Game On Eyeshadow Palette. Now, those colors are not as vibrant. I honestly maybe would have preferred that palette more. Then there is the Aptos Skincare Healing Turmeric Mask. Then there is the, I don't even know how to pronounce this brand, another like moisturizer. And then all the other products that I got. So honestly, you guys, I think that's the most products I've seen so far for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So that's great that they're kind of expanding what you can get. You know, there were, but the thing is, a lot of those are repeats. So I'm glad I didn't get it. Hopefully the profile would prevent you from getting products twice. But anyway, so now for my overall thoughts on my box this month. So as you guys know, the Sunday Riley CEO cream, I am stoked that I got it. That eyeshadow palette, I feel like lately I've been saying this, but it's just not colors that I would, you know, like for example, I wouldn't travel with that palette because there's only 2 colors that would be like a transition shade. I don't really do those vibrant and bright colors. And I know I put that in the quiz all the time, and I feel like lately they just keep coming out with more like, you know, hot pinks and purples. Maybe it's because of the time of year, which I understand. So I'm not too crazy about the palette. You know, I'll probably just give it to my sister or her boyfriend's daughter because because she loves to do all those little colors. Then we've got the eyeliner, which, you know, I do want to start using gel eyeliner again, so that's okay. The lipstick shade, I'm gonna have to save that for the fall, you guys. This time of year, I don't tend to do those like vampy colors, if you will, but it is pretty, I think, for the fall and for the winter especially. And the sheet masks, they will get used. Like I said, I love getting sheet masks in these subscriptions because then I don't have to go out and buy them. I probably would have liked to get, you know, one of those clay masks, but, you know, I'm happy with it. So overall, I would say that this month's box was not too bad. It wasn't like one of my best ones. Again, the lip color and the eyeshadow palette, I just felt like I wish they were a little bit more neutral, because I know on the quizzes I do, you know, put that I like the more neutral tones, but, you know, other than that, I am, you know, pretty pleased with what I got. And lastly, I just want to mention, if you guys remember my video from April, because that's the last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus video that I did, one of the eyeshadow palette that I got, one of the shadows was completely shattered, and it must have happened, you know, being transferred in the mail or whatever. So I've never had that issue before. I emailed Ipsy customer care, and they emailed me the next day and they sent me out a new one, no questions asked. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I was really impressed with the customer service there. They were very quick. So if you guys have any issues with any of your products, just let them know. So I just figured I would mention that. Now let me know in the comments down below, what did you guys get for this month? What products did you get? Did you get similar products to me? Did you get completely different products? What products are you loving? What products are you not too crazy that you got? Let me know. But that is it for this video, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.